Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the present progressive tense or the present continuous tense. We will discuss about the grammatical components of the present progressive tense. We will discuss about the structural formulas, about the examples, and about the daily life uses of the present progressive tense. Okay, so what is the definition of the present progressive tense? The present progressive tense, also known as the present continuous tense, is a verb tense that is used to describe an ongoing action happening at the time of speaking or a planned future action. It is found by using the present tense of the verb to be, am, is, are, followed by the present participle form of the main verb, the ing form of the main verb. For example, I'm eating dinner. Ongoing action happening at the time of speaking. She is studying for her exams. Ongoing action happening at the time of speaking. They are playing football tomorrow. Plan future action. Okay, the present progressive tense is commonly used to talk about actions happening now or around the present moment. It emphasizes the temporary or continuous nature of the action. It is often used to describe temporary situations, ongoing activities, or future plans. It is important to note that the present progressive tense is not used for static or permanent states, but for the dynamic actions in progress. Okay, so here we have the grammatical components of the present progressive tense. Number first is the subject I, we, you, she, he, and they. And number second is the auxiliary verb is mr, and number third is the main verb plus ing suffix. The main verb of the sentence is used in its present participle form by adding the ing suffix to the main verb. For example, go, going, and write, writing. Okay, so here we have the structural formulas of the present progressive tense. Okay, the structural formula for the affirmative sentence and the present progressive tense is subject plus auxiliary verb am is are plus main verb with ing suffix, or we can say the present participle. Okay, the structural formula for the negative sentence and the present progressive tense is subject plus auxiliary verb am not, is not, are not, plus main verb with ing suffix. Okay, actually the ing form of the main verb is also called the present participle. Okay, the structural formula for the interrogative sentence and the present progressive tense is auxiliary verb am is are plus subject plus the present participle. Okay, the structural formula for the negative interrogative sentence are the negative questions, and the present progressive tense is the auxiliary verb am not, is not, are not plus subject plus the present participle, or we can say the main verb with ing suffix. Okay, so let's give examples of all the sentences in the present progressive tense. Number first is the affirmative sentence, and you know its structural formula is subject plus auxiliary verb am is are plus the present participle, or we can say the main verb with ing suffix. For example, I am studying for my exams. She is watching a movie. They are playing soccer. So these are the examples of the affirmative sentences in the present progressive tense. Okay, the negative sentences in the present progressive tense. The formula is subject plus the auxiliary verb am, is, are, and plus not plus present participle, or we can say main verb with ing suffix. For example, I am not eating meat. He is not working on the project. We are not traveling next week. Okay, the interrogative sentences in the present progressive tense. The formula is auxiliary verb am is are plus subject plus the present participle. For example, are you coming to the party? Is she talking on the phone? Are they studying for the test? Okay, the negative questions are the negative interrogative sentences and the present progressive tense. The structural formula is auxiliary verb am is are plus not plus subject plus present participle. For example, are not you coming to the party? Is not she watching the TV? Are not they playing the piano? Okay, so this was all about the structural formulas and the sentences and the present progressive tense. Okay, now let's discuss about the practical uses of the present progressive tense. The present progressive tense is used for current actions, temporary actions, plan, future action, personal opinions, changes that are happening, annoyances are continuous situations, actions happening now but not continuous, future arrangements. Okay, so let's give examples of each use of the present progressive tense. This tense is used for current actions. For example, I am currently writing an essay for my English class. She is reading a book in the park. They are cooking dinner for the family. The present progressive tense is used for temporary actions. For example, he is staying at a hotel while his house is being renovated. We are using a car rental until we buy a new car. The company is renting additional office space until the renovation is complete. The present progressive tense is used for plan future actions. For example, we are going to concert tomorrow night. They are visiting their grandparents next week. My friend is flying to Paris next month for a vacation. Okay, the present progressive tense is used for expressing personal opinions. For example, I think you are overacting to the situation. She believes that they are making the right decision. We feel that the company is heading in the right direction. Okay, the present progressive tense is used for expressing changes that are happening. For example, the population of the city is growing rapidly. They are becoming more environmentally conscious. The weather is getting colder as winter approaches. Okay, the present progressive tense is used for expressing annoyances or continuous situations. For example, it's raining and I am getting wet. The neighbors are constantly making noise. My baby sister is always crying and interrupting my sleep. The present progressive tense is used for expressing actions happening now but not continuous. For example, I am currently reading a great novel. He is working on his math homework at the moment. They are playing a game on their smartphones right now. The present progressive tense is used for expressing future arrangements. For example, we are meeting at the cafe tomorrow. He is attending a conference next week. They are going on a trip next month. Okay, thanks for watching the video and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want more about tenses, we have uploaded a full crash course about all the 12 tenses in English language. You can watch them on my YouTube channel.